Hi guys, welcome. It's PPA again. To the new subscribers and to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Yeah. So today, this vlog is about two different events. So the first part right now, it's about a trip, my trip to Vrdnik, and Vrdnik is a vacation site. So I will be showing you around Vrdnik, so stay tuned.
Trees aren't green.
Yeah, I decided to give a quick room tour. The accommodation is a beautiful and comfortable one to lodge at. If perhaps someday you go to Vrdnik, yeah.
Scared to ride, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night is the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone.
In case you were wondering, yes, I had both beds to myself. And yeah, I was filming myself in a mirror video. Then I decided to give a quick tour of Gourmet Center. Gourmet Center has hotel, like my room that you saw previously. Then it also has conferences where you can hold, meetings, workshop. Yeah, actually I went for a workshop. Yeah, but at the same time to relax. So it also has a nice view. I mean, you can see from the videos. This is one of the conference rooms.
I can't make it through. Every night is the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know.
Imagine being in a conference room, and when you look out, you see this relaxed scenery. I mean, it's very, very relaxing.
Into this bitter taste, I think I'll let it be. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night is the same.
So to get to the second conference room, I had to use an elevator. This conference room was where the workshop I went for was held. Yeah, it's spacious also. Yeah.
All of my problems. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
So I decided to go for a walk. I mean, what I'm here for wouldn't be starting until some minutes time, not hours anymore, but like an hour and some minutes. So I decided, why not take a walk? And actually, I like this neighborhood because it is super pretty. Yes, it is. It looks so nice and good. It looks so nice and good.
Yeah, I was trying to film myself. I was excited that day. Yeah, and I think the filming came out well, not the bad. Yo, it's your gal. On my walk, I saw this villa, I would call it a villa. And I was like, oh my god, I really have to film this. Because since the time I've been in Serbia, I was actually my first time of seeing, a building as such. It's more of like apartments and all. And this was mind blowing for me. I mean, because I haven't seen something like that before in that country. So I guess I need to travel around Serbia more. So yeah, I kept working, just to relax. And I would say that this place is a place I really want to come back to. It's a very great vacation site. And over there is another hotel. It's much bigger than the event center that I was. You'll see the front view very soon. Yeah, over here. This is the front view. It's Premier Hotel, yeah. Then yeah, it's still the city, playing ground. And I guess I was looking for a place to buy, some snack because I was famished.
Finally, I found where to buy something. Yeah.
So, my vlog about my trip to Vrdnicka, I was unable to film the event that I went for, and I hope you were able to get a great view of Vrdnicka from my perspective. Ciao!